starting with IMX, the token from Web3 gaming giant Immutable, which shot up around 15% after the company announced the SEC had closed its investigation with no further action. IMX peaked at about 74 cents, its highest level in weeks, before settling back down. Immutable's co-founder called the development a big win for Web3 gaming. Of course, like with any token, there's always a risk of prices dropping again, so we prefer trading it short-term rather than holding it long-term. In other news, North Carolina legislators are pushing forward with bills that could let the state's treasurer allocate up to 5% of certain retirement funds into cryptocurrencies, while a separate bill even calls for a 10% allocation specifically in Bitcoin. This could be huge for mainstream adoption if it passes, but not everyone's on board with putting pension funds into volatile assets. It'll be interesting to see how these proposals evolve, especially since a lot of lawmakers still see crypto as too risky. Meanwhile, the SEC is gearing up for a series of roundtable discussions on trading, custody, tokenization, and DeFi. The first session in March was about defining when a crypto token is a security, and more sessions are on the way through June. This signals a shift from the agency's earlier hardline approach, but it's not a guarantee that crypto will get a free pass. We'll be watching closely to see if these talks bring more clarity or just more questions. We just released a new version of our trend trading indicator specifically designed for crypto. It's now really good at detecting insider trading and marketing. Check it out in the links down below. There you will also find links to the exchange I use with the lowest fees and early listings of new projects. Thanks for watching.